Well, I already messed it up, but let's do a quick swing around. There's James all the way over there. I think you can just now see him. There he is. Wave hi! I'm cutting this out. Okay. See any fish? Well, that's good. We can catch those for bait. These would be killer, I feel like, in the pre-spawn. Because this seems like a lot of good spots, like around docks and stuff, is right where the fish like to set up their nest. Yeah, I can definitely see that. Yeah. Oh yeah, this head thing is actually going to work pretty well. Good idea with the glasses, by the way. Joke's on you, I have a GoPro blocking my eyeballs. Oh, I just realized the only thing that might suck is my audio might be blown out. Because I'm screaming into my microphone. Look at all these, I'll have to whisper. Look at all these wonderful sights. Some birds out there. My bad kayaking. What a lovely day. There's James. Thinks he's so much better than me because he's higher up off the ground. He's got a longer vessel. He has places to put his rods. He thinks he's so cool. Ooh, a little doggy barking at me. Oh, the water's quite warm. Isn't that just an annoying noise? Scrape, 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 scrape. That's a good one. I might actually go up next to him. Try to put myself on the opposite side of that. Although right here is pretty decent. Backlashed a little bit there. I'm gunning for you. Oh yeah, I can really smell this fish now. It is, I'm guessing, a carp. It's like missing its face. Could be a white perch, I guess. Oh shit! I just had a huge one. He missed it. Oh, I got that on tape too. That was awesome. Wow, that scared me. I was not expect. If he was a little bit further out, I think I would have had a better chance. Yep, that's top water. He just missed it though, and I think he missed it because it was so close. I get 2 hits in the same spot. That's pretty exciting. I don't know if it was the same one though. Yeah. See that other one looked a little smaller. I hook into it and it's a fucking like 12-pound pike.
Yeah, that would be the unfortunate situation.
It's the only thing I'm worried about is actually like getting something a little bit bigger. Oh my God, that's a monster.
Yeah.
I got no idea how to land it. Got like cat hair in my reel for some reason.
I just love it how, like, I put myself in a spot where I can't drift away, and now my whole time.
Yeah, you're rotating. Yep. I was gonna say, I can't see where that's going. I'll get it out. Hello, doggo. Hello. What are you up to? Oh, you're going away? Okay. The doggo has breached containment. I've been caught by the wind, James. Where it takes me, I know not. I'll cast right in between here. Yeah, that'll work. I got this bad boy in reverse, James. The wind turns around. The poles reverse. Ooh. I still can't get over that action. Look at this. Look at that bitch. That's a goddamn crawfish. Although apparently baits like this are more closely imitating like dying bait fish on the bottom.
Oh.
Basically, the fish don't know what the fuck they're biting. They just know that it's moving. You know what they say, grass means bass. This might be a little too much grass though. Let's see if my chatterbait can get through it. Well, James, I think that might be the biggest pile of grass I've gotten all day. I don't even know where my bait is. Top water is the only thing that's going to work over here.
Yeah. You can try to move out towards stuff out there, the first set of branches.
Yeah. My God. That is a monster too. Oh my God, that's a monster. Oh my God, and I wasn't even recording. Yeah, that's on the chatter. Oh my God, that's a monster. He's not done running. Oh my God, oh my God, dude, come on. Okay, I might need help landing him. Do you think you can get the net? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Try to get him. I don't know where he is. Ooh, shit. Where is he? Where is he? Got him? You got him? Let's fucking go! Holy fucking shit, dude, that is a monster. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Holy shit. That's a fucking monster, dude. That literally hit the water. I reeled for not even half a tick. Oh my God, that thing is a monster. Okay. Holy shit. Okay, well, this is my new favorite bait. That is a monster, dude. This is my first smallmouth. Sorry, I gotta get it on the... Whew. I absolutely suckered this thing into his mouth, too. Holy shit, he creamed that thing. I think I tore up the top of his mouth pretty bad. Holy shit. Holy shit, dude. Oh my God, you got me on camera. Oh my God. That's the biggest fish I've ever caught, I think. That is a trophy-sized large or smallmouth. Holy shit, let me get that. Oh, I'm so sorry. I cast before you and I got the... Oh my God, that is a 5-pounder, I think. That's easily a 5-pounder. Let's get him. Since I threw it in my pocket, I might as well get a measurement if I can real quick. Let me go like this. You want me to toss him over? You want to feel the beast? Yeah, no, actually, honestly, I want to because I'll be able to record you with him too. Feel this thing. You need the glove to hold him? Or you think you can get him? You got it? Okay. Yeah, here, let me. Dude, oh my God, this is a victory for both of us. Thank you for netting him. I got real scared when, to make sure I'm recording here.
About 19 inches.
19 inches? Can you possibly get, try to figure out how much he is around? Let me see if I get the... Give me 2 seconds. I gotta release him though. It's all me. I have no idea where it is. Okay, yeah, let me get him in the water. Or let me get him off. Do you think you're gonna record me from your perspective as I let him go? Oh, it's no big deal. Let me... Okay, there he is. What do we want to name him, by the way? Okay, here we go. Ready? There he is. Just waiting for him to give me a good kick. There he goes. Beautiful. Dude, that was so fucking... High five.
That was awesome. Oh my god.
Oh, that was awesome. I'm sad I wasn't recording. I should have immediately started recording.
That's insane.
Look how far we've drifted, by the way. Holy shit, that was awesome.
Jesus Christ. Maybe I should put on a fucking jerk bait or something.
Honestly, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm pretty sure
Anything that makes noise?
he bit it as I hit.
Oh, sorry.
So that's just it. Like, I think had you casted before me, it's pretty I think that was a 50-50 which one of us would have gotten it.
Crazy.
Dude, that was fucking
I didn't know what was going on until I heard the splashing.
well, that was just like I started reeling, and the thing with my reel, right? Like most of the time I can feel like stuff happening, and it was just like as I reeled up, it's just I felt tight and it was smooth. I was like, that's not right. So I said a little bit more. That literally that is a trophy sized.
That is
I really wish I got a.
that's insane.
I really wish that is easily 5. I'm gonna say it's maybe even 6. I mean, you held it. How?
No, I couldn't pick it up with one arm.
Yeah, that thing was huge.
Jesus
Oh my god. What do you know? Structure. If I mean, if you want to look at my tackle box for anything like that, that's what I threw at him.
I'll try this out for now, and
Yeah.
then I'll switch to like a jerk bait or something.
He fucking
But, yeah,
swallowed that.
oh,
That's the first time I've ever, and that was a fight and a half too.
Yeah, you know, you can definitely. So now that I've seen it, you definitely can catch those at the other
Mhm.
the Willow Bay. No, obviously not near as big.
That I'm pretty sure that's a monster for this lake too.
Yeah.
Like I'm pretty sure they're usually around 2-3. That was very, very easily. You trying to hold on? Yeah. That was very easily 5. Oh my god.
Let's go back over there, I guess.
Hell yeah. I'll let you cast. You saw how I cast though, like kind of just short of it or like just kind of next to it. I'll let you cast. No, just cause like I got my first cast, you go. Don't worry. You netted me, dude. That was fucking awesome. So what did you say again? It was like 18 and a half?
It was past, it was probably 19.
We'll say 19. Okay. I'll meet you over there. I'm just going to figure out where my measuring tape is because I wanted to get his girth because that's the best way to measure them without a weight is girth and length.
I don't know, the current might be a little too strong.
Don't worry, it'll help us when we're catching fish.
My lure's just gonna crack away so far.
It's a very weird lure
Yeah.
because of the way it's positioned. Like I'm pulling it and it's not always doing the little ringy ding. That might be because it's bent though. I mean, I don't know if it was designed to take on lake monsters. Whew. Oh, hello tree. Honestly, we've already drifted that far? Really?
There's like no way we could cast right there.
Eh. I got the one cast.
Dude,
The one cast, that's all it
that
took.
matters.
Okay, you can get us both there, right? Oh, oh shit. I was trying to like pin down to you. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, so when we had tried one of the kayaks, we went around that pier, and you know where that giant tree is?
Oh yeah, that's a beautiful
I
spot.
think it's wavy over here.
Oh yeah, because this is protected by that.
Yeah. Yeah, when I tell you that I was looking at it your time, it was crazy.
And that was on your boat there, or oh this one? Oh,
Yeah. Or no, I was on the two-person one. She was
Yeah.
on that one.
oh, you were on the crew. Were you just crewing it by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I mean, if I'm honestly speaking, like, I got 2 hits on top. You got a whole bunch of little hits on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Which could have been bluegill, but we saw at least 3 nice fish. I mean, one of them we hooked. Honestly, it's just, I kind of just want to sit here. It's such a nice day out. God damn it, why do you keep fucking...
I don't want your fucking sport, man.
I really think that little bastard bent out my thing. Because I was getting the chatter on like every cast, and now it feels like it's getting a little gummy. So I might have to rebend it.
$8 to catch that fish?
Nah, it wasn't even 8, dude. It was like 6. That is, I think that's like a fish of like a smallmouth of a lifetime. That's there. You don't really get bigger ones than that. I think like smallmouth, I think typically max out around 5, 6.
Yeah. Dude, like I didn't when he got to this side, I couldn't really tell how big he was.
Oh, dude, yeah.
And then
well, this is
the net down in the water, and he was like that.
Yeah, he was bigger than the net.
I was like, oh.
Yeah. The
Fuck off.
I'm sorry, but the thing is too. So since the rod's so long, and I have the really good braid on there. I mean, I have a 10-pound on the leader, but like I couldn't quite tell how big. Like I could tell he was big, but I wasn't thinking he was gonna be fine until he jumped. That's when I knew he was a monster.
Also, like reeling stuff in on the kayak is a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot different too, because you're moving with the fish too. Yeah. Also, that's the only time I've ever actually, well, I won't say only time, but that like, just like having to figure out how the hell to land him, because every time I got him close, like I don't know if I would have been able to get him like super close to the boat, just because like 7-foot pole, obviously. I'm lucky you were there. I'm also kind of unlucky you were there, because he ran to the other side of you. He's like, get me away from this man.
Yeah, the structure again.
Yeah, structure. I'm a bit sad we didn't get a walleye, but honestly, we're bass fishermen. Yeah. I mean, honestly, I'll if that was like a 5-pound bluegill, I would have been ecstatic. Oh my God, James.